The first step to setting up your rear derailleur is to shift all the way down to your smallest cog. Once here, you can check the derailleur hanger and the derailleur to make sure that they are nice and straight. Once you've determined everything is nice and straight, you can move on to setting up your limits. You have a high limit and a low limit screw. First step, release the cable. Next step, we're going to set up our high limit. You want to look and make sure that the derailleur pulley is nice and aligned with the highest cog. If you need to, make an adjustment on the high limit screw, which is located here on this derailleur. Next, we can move on to setting up our low limit. Push the derailleur to the low gear with your thumb. Look to make sure that the derailleur pulley is lined up with the lowest gear. If you need to, make an adjustment on the low limit screw, which is located here on this derailleur. Once your limits are set, pedal back down to your highest gear, reattach your cable, now you can shift your gears to check your setup. Now that we've checked our setup, we need to adjust our bead tension. The noise that you heard was the bead tension being set up improperly. The bead tension controls the distance between the derailleur pulley and the cassette. Proper distance is about 5 to 6 millimeters. We need to push our bead tension out just a little bit to get our adjustment right. Now we'll run back through our gears. Notice how much quieter everything is. We're ready to go ride.